Just like mechanical keyboards are valued by typists and gamers for their switch types, build quality, and layout, induction cookware is gaining popularity among home cooks and chefs who prioritize efficiency, durability, and performance. The right induction-compatible cookware ensures fast heating.
List number 1. Carrot nonstick pots and pans. The Carrot nonstick pots and pan set offers excellent value for those who want reliable cookware without breaking the bank. Made from eco-friendly granite material, this collection is not only induction compatible, but also safe and free from PFOS and PFOA. The durable nonstick surface ensures food doesn't stick, making cooking and cleanup quick and stress-free. This set includes a variety of frying pans, saucepans, and casserole pots, making it versatile enough to handle daily cooking needs. The induction base heats evenly, preventing hot spots and reducing cooking time. The ergonomic handles stay cool during use, adding to the comfort and safety of handling. What makes Carrot stand out is its balance of affordability and durability. Unlike cheap nonstick sets that peel quickly, this set has a reinforced coating that extends its lifespan. It's also dishwasher friendly, though hand washing is.
List number 2. Sinsarte Ceramic Cookware Set. The Sinsarte Ceramic Cookware Set is designed for health-conscious cooks who prefer ceramic over traditional nonstick coatings. Featuring a natural ceramic surface, it is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring safe cooking at all temperatures. Its induction-ready base provides fast and even heating, while the ceramic coating delivers superior food release and easy cleaning. This set typically includes frying pans, saucepans, and sauté pans, everything needed for daily cooking tasks. The glass lids allow for easy monitoring of food, while the wooden-style handles add a modern, elegant touch. One of the highlights is its ability to withstand high heat without losing nonstick performance, making it suitable for searing as well as gentle simmering. The Sinsarte Ceramic Cookware Set is also scratch-resistant, offering more durability than standard nonstick pans. While slightly heavier than aluminum cookware, the added weight contributes to stability and durability on induction stoves. For anyone looking for a safer.
List number 3. Carrot 26-piece pots and pan set nonstick. The Carrot 26-piece pots and pan set is a complete induction-compatible cookware package for serious home chefs. Featuring 26 pieces, this set covers every cooking task imaginable, from frying and sautéing to boiling, baking, and simmering. Made from granite nonstick material, it's designed to last longer than standard coatings, while maintaining effortless food release. This set includes multiple frying pans, saucepans, casseroles, and even utensils, making it one of the most versatile cookware collections on the market. The induction-ready base heats evenly and quickly, ensuring consistent cooking results. Its nonstick properties make it especially useful for busy families who want to cook healthier meals with minimal oil. Another standout feature is the stylish and modern design. The cookware not only performs well, but also looks great in any kitchen. Despite its size, the set is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to handle. The Carrot 26-piece set is perfect for those who want a one-and-done solution for their induction kitchen. Whether you're stocking a new home or upgrading from mismatched pans, this collection has everything you need to cook like a pro.
List number 4. All-Clad D3 12-inch stainless steel frying pan with lid. The All-Clad D3 12-inch stainless steel frying pan is a professional-grade choice for cooks who demand durability and precision. Unlike nonstick cookware, this tri-ply stainless steel pan is built for lifetime use. Its 3-layer bonded construction, aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel, ensures even heating and superior heat retention, making it perfect for searing, browning, and deglazing. This pan is fully induction compatible and performs exceptionally on all cooktops. The included stainless steel lid adds versatility, allowing it to double as a shallow sauté pan. The long riveted handle provides a secure grip, though it can get hot, so oven mitts are recommended. While it requires proper preheating and oiling to prevent sticking, this pan excels in delivering restaurant-quality results. Unlike non-stick pans that wear out, the all-clad D3 is built to last decades with proper care.
List number 5. Carotte 19 Pieces Pots and Pans Set. The Carotte 19 Pieces Pots and Pans Set offers a slightly smaller but equally versatile package compared to the 26-piece version. Featuring the same granite non-stick technology, it ensures easy cooking and cleaning while remaining fully induction compatible. This set includes frying pans, saucepans, a stock pot, and essential utensils covering all daily cooking needs. The cookware heats evenly on induction stovetops, ensuring meals are cooked consistently without hot spots. The eco-friendly non-stick coating is free from harmful chemicals and requires minimal oil, promoting healthier cooking. Its ergonomic handles and glass lids make it both functional and stylish. Compared to the larger 26-piece set, the 19-piece version is more compact, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or those who don't need as many accessories. Despite being lightweight, the construction is sturdy enough for regular use.